Worried about sudden dips in the market? Confused whether corrections signal danger or opportunity? Ready to understand why market corrections are not failures but necessary parts of long term investing? Then you are in the right place. Our financial expert, Mr. Ramalingam, can explain it all. Ramalingam, over to you.
So market correction is basically a feature and not a bug. At times we think like when this will get over, like market volatility, market uncertainty, when this will get over. It is not a bug. It will not get over. It will come again and again. It is a future. And short-term pain like this are long-term gains. When the market is falling, when you continue to invest, you will be getting more units. You will be getting more shares for the same money. So volatility is actually the best friend of a long-term investor. When there is no volatility and if it is going in a straight line and if you are regularly investing, that means every time you purchase, you are purchasing mutual fund units or stocks for higher price. So you will be getting less number of shares and less number of units. When you are buying it during volatility, you will be getting more number of units. So volatility is a friend of an equity investor. What is the real risk? Panic is the real risk. Reacting because of panic is real risk. Most of the investors who move out of small cap or who move into small cap heavily or who move out of equity market and move into equity market all of a sudden are taking long-term investment decision based on short-term temporary market noise. We have to clearly decide that. We have to clearly understand.
Thank you for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. Also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. Link to the webinar is given in the description below and the webinar is absolutely free. So if you like this video, hit like, and if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.